First line. New Year is a very special day for everyone. Second line. I celebrated New Year with my family and friends. Third line. We cleaned our house and decorated it with lights and flowers. Fourth line. At night, we welcomed the new year with happiness and joy. Fifth line. We cut a cake and wished each other, Happy New Year. Sixth line. I enjoyed delicious food prepared by my mother. Seventh line. We watched New Year programs on television together. Eighth line. I made some New Year resolutions to study well and stay healthy. Ninth line. We thanked God for the past year and prayed for a good future. 10th line. It was a joyful and memorable New Year celebration for me.